Welcome back to my channel. So, today, magre-review ako ng isang product. Actually, first impression siya and then, a quick review na rin for those na siguro hindi pa nakapanood. Pero, actually, I think last year pa siya lumabas sa market and then, hindi ko pa kasi siya natatry. So, first impression ang gagawin ko and then tawag nito first impression ang gagawin ko because I usually use other brand, drugstore brand, hindi itong product na to. So, i-share ko sa inyo yung this BB cream na nabili ko past few days. So, this BB cream is by Etude House. Etude House, yun. Pinagpipilian ko kasi yung Cotton On. Cotton On ba yun? Yung isa. And then this BB cream Bright Fit. So, napili ko tong Bright Fit. Bakit? Kasi for the word bright, dun ako na Kasi parang, pag sinabi mong bright, parang iba-brighten up niyo yung face mo. Parang yun yung sa akin. Or the keyword lang na bright. Yun. So, for the price, it is 88 pataka, which is 400 plus in peso, I think. So, iano ko na lang yung conversion rate dito sa description box. It is 88 pataka, which I bought on Sasa. But, if you bought it on the shops, kasi dito sa Macau, maraming beauty shops on the street, like that, mga tindahan ng mga original siya, mga branded products, pero mga maliliit, small boutique. Nakita ko siya last day sa isang shop. It is 168, I think. So, very expensive. Kalahati din yung price niya. Ewan ko kung this one for 88 pataka is sale or before niya price na niya to. Pero I think nag-sale sila eh. I think sale itong product na to, kaya napabili rin ako. So, for the packaging, ayan, as you can see, it is pink, light pink, mga ganun. Pero, yung pinaka box niya is, para siyang yung shimmer, bright nga, kumbaga. Kaya may shimmer yung pinaka box niya. And then, yung direction niya, yung shade niya is natural beige nga pala. Natural beige, yung direction niya, how to use, and the ingredients on the side. It is in English form, and then, it is made in Korea, and then Korean yung price niya, label na sa likod. And yung, siguro din to shade and direction, it's in Korea language. And Korean din yung nasa kabilang side. Kaya, hindi ko alam kung ano itong nasa kabilang side. But I think it's the same as in English side of this box. So, it has SPF 30, PA++. Dalawang plus lang. So, what means by plus? Yun. Diba? May yung iba tatlong plus. Ito, dalawa lang. PA++. And it says it's whitening and anti-wrinkle. Anti-darkening also. So, yan yung kanyang outside packaging. So, let's open. Dito nga pala sa taas yung pinaka-color ng kanyang shade. It's natural beige. Yan. Sa baba, wala yung kanyang. This is the main packaging of the BB cream. So, ito siya, pababa siyang ganyan. Ito yung takip. It's in transparent violet na ganyan. And it is na makokontrol mo siya. Maganda sa pump kasi compare sa ibang klase ng mga BB cream. Pwede mo siyang i-control yung kanyang dami. Yan. Pwede mo siyang paunti-unti siyang i-pump. So, pag ganyan siya, so nandito yung sa ilalim yung kanyang opening side. Hindi siya dito sa taas. Unlike other BB cream na nasa taas. So, and it's look like this. Pasensya na. So, for the shade niya, let's try the shade. Try natin yung shade niya. Yan. Yan. Naglagay lang ako ng konting amount. As you can see. And then, i-blend natin siya. Ayan. Ayan siya when blend. As for the shade nga pala, I think it has 4 shade. It comes with light beige, natural beige, which is this one, honey beige, and then sand beige. But, ang meron lang dun sa Sasa available is this shade only. Kaya, ito lang yung nabili ko. But, I think, okay naman yung shade niya sa face ko. Kaya, it's okay for me to buy these kind of shades. For the smell, yung smell niya is like a perfume na parang floral yung smell niya. Mabango siya. Unlike other BB cream na wala siyang amoy, ito magugustuhan niyo siya kasi nga mabango. Kaya, parang ang sarap niyang gamitin sa face. Yan. Actually, yan yung gamit ko sa face ko now. If you wonder, yan. Actually, it's one layer only. Kasi, dito lang naman kasi ako sa bahay. So, one layer lang yung nilagay ko. And I love it. Yan. Medyo sticky nga lang siya as you blend first in your face. Siguro kasi, first time kong gumamit ng Etude House, kaya hindi ako ganun ka familiar sa texture niya ng BB cream nila. Kasi I usually use other products like Maybelline, L'Oreal, like that, na kakaiba yung kanyang texture. Medyo sticky at first, and then as you go along well, medyo smooth na yung feeling. Yun. Lalo na kapag nilagyan mo na siya sinat na siya ng powder. Yun. So, for the coverage, as you can see, when I pump this here, it is light. But, as you go along well, it becomes wearable. And, sumusunod siya dun sa, sa color ng face mo, nako-cover niya yung mga anti-wrinkle, mga ganyan, dark spots, yan. Yun yung ng Etude House, I think. Siya, UV protection, anti-wrinkle, and whitening. I think, hindi mo na kailangang gumamit ng concealer when you use this. Kasi, siguro medyo dodoblehan mo lang yung coverage kapag gusto mong takpan yung mga pimple mo or dark spots, yan. Hindi mo na kailangang gumamit ng concealer for this one, I think. So guys, ang napansin ko lang dito sa BB cream na to, one pump lang yung ginamit ko at na-cover niya na yung buong face ko. Kung yung one shade, kumbaga one layer lang yung gagawin ko, one pump lang, small pump, kaya niya nang i-cover yung face mo. So, matipid. Matipid to. Isa to sa pinaka one factor na bakit mo to pwedeng bilhin. And one more thing na naobserbahan ko on this product, it gives you a dewy finish. Kaya, if you're not a dewy person, siguro hindi pwede sa inyo to. Hindi pwede or pwede naman, pero kumbaga if you don't like a dewy finished look, yan, it's not good for you guys. Because dewy finish is not good, I think, for the oily skin. Yan. So, if you're an oily person, ako medyo oily on the nose, T-nose lang, mga T sa area. Yan, dito sa aking forehead, to nose. Yun, usually kasi sa work, yan, medyo pag pumapasok pala ako, naglalakad lang ako. Kasi it's 10 minutes walk only. 5 minutes to 10 minutes walk only. So, if you're an oily skin type, siguro hindi medyo okay sa inyo tong dewy finish look ng BB Cream Bright Fit Precious Mineral. So, for me, sa akin medyo considerable naman. Kasi, dito lang naman, hindi naman as in full face is oily skin sa akin. Kaya, okay na din to sa akin. That's all I think for my quick review. Quick lang. Quick review for this BB Cream Bright Fit Precious Mineral. Yan, by Etude House. Etude House. Yan. So, as for the overall observation, no? I think okay naman. Gusto ko tong product na to. So, go for it guys if you don't buy it yet. If you don't buy it yet. Parang mali yung English. So, kapag di pa kayo nakakabili guys, you should try this BB Cream by Etude House. Yun. So, for any questions, kung may questions pa kayo, gustong malaman about this product, ano ba ko ngayon? So, if you have any question guys, just comment down below or send me message on my Facebook page or here at inbox in the YouTube. Yan. Or comment down below, mababasa ko naman yan. So, yan, ang aking quick review, yan. And then, my first impression about this product. So guys, thank you for watching. Till my next video. Bye!